Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tutorial Tuesday. Today we'll be covering the control panel basics. Here on the screen now we have the control panel. Now what the control panel is, it's a feature of Windows and its operating system that allows users to control, modify, and change system settings, hardware settings, and software settings in their computer. This is the place where you can uninstall and modify programs. You can connect printers and different devices, Bluetooth devices, change date time settings, personalize desktop settings, basically anything you can think of to customize on your computer or to modify on your computer. It probably runs through the control panel first. So we're just going to go over the basics today on how to use the control panel, how to search on it, and then some of the key features that you might take advantage of during your day-to-day tasks. So up here on the top here we have a back button and a forward button. So exactly how they sound. If we were in system security here and we wanted to get it back to the dashboard or go back a step, we can use our back button, and again with our forward button, just like an internet browser. Also, when you're in a tab or multiple tabs like this, you can always click on the control panel button right here, and that will take you right back to the start there. You'll also have a pathway up here, so you'll notice as we go deeper and deeper into the control panel, you'll see our pathway increase. Again, just like a internet browser, if you click on the address bar up here or the pathway bar, you will get that exact pathway that you're in. So you can remember those, get to where you need to go faster. Just as an example here, if I were to click in the control panel here and go to Programs and click Enter, it would take me to the Program section, and again that would be right here, the same thing as just clicking on that. So you can always type in your pathway if you'd like. Then over here we have a search bar, so we can search for different things. So again, if I search programs here, I get everything that relates to programs. So you can always use that search feature. And then here you have a view by category, large icons or smaller icons. So I keep mine on view by category, it's just what I'm used to, but you can view by large icons, which will give you a more broken out view of the control panel. And same thing with smaller icons, the icons will just be smaller, but it'll be broken out the same. So a couple different highlights of the control panel. The first one being programs here. So if you click on uninstall a program, you'll get a list of all the programs that are currently installed on your machine, and you can do things like uninstall the programs from here, you can modify them or repair them from here, you can view their publisher, installed on date, their sizes, and then what version they're on. So good information here. And just as an example here, on Adobe Acrobat, if I had a problem with my Acrobat and I needed to modify it or repair it, I can right click on it and you'll get the uninstall or change options. So I can click on change here, and then I will get prompts to be able to repair my program. And from there you can follow the prompts, repair your program, and hopefully get that issue fixed before contacting support. So lots of different things to do in the program section here. We'll go back to the control panel main page here. Something else nice to point out here on the control panel is if you search system and then you click on the top system header here, it'll take you to your settings and you'll get some different system information on your machine. So one of the main things to point out here is the device name. So when you're contacting support and they need to remote into your computer, knowing your device name will always help because it will help them connect to your device a lot quicker. So that's a quick way for you to be able to check your exact name. And there's lots of other different things in the control panel that you can take advantage of. So if we search printers up here, we'll get our devices and printers section. This is where you can connect all your different Bluetooth devices, printers, basically anything that is connecting your connecting to your computer, you can use this area to manage those connections and start new connections. So if I was looking to connect to a different printer here, I could come to this section, click Add Printer, and start following these prompts to add a new printer. Same thing with a new device. So there's lots of different information on the control panel. In a future video, we will go into some more advanced features of the control panel, but this will at least get you started for now on how to navigate the control panel, how to look at different aspects of it and different sections of it, and how you can start using it in your day-to-day tasks. That concludes this episode of Tech Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.